What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Mr. Shark from the bad guys. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the eyes. Now you leave a gap in the center. Let's move over towards the left. We're going to draw a straight line going across and out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom of the eye. Starting from the outside, I'm just going to curve this down and then up like a half circle. And then we want to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small circle just tucked in underneath. Do the same thing on the right. Now along the top left of each eye, add a small circle for a highlight. And I'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top of the head and draw in the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. Start with the left side. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's line this up on the right. Going up towards the same height and then down towards the side. And I want to add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go higher in the middle and then back down. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. In between the eyebrows, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move to the outside of the eyebrows. We're going to curve the head, going out and then down. Let's round out the cheek, bump this out, come all the way around toward the bottom of the head, and we're just going to bend that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Start by bending this out. And we'll close off the bottom of the head, starting back over on the left. We want to create a little overlap. Coming down the middle, go across and then back up. In the center of the head, we're going to add a large curve for the mouth. Let's start over on the left. Bend this down in the middle and then back up. And then on either side, let's add the teeth. Let's start on the left. Bending this around and in. Come back down towards the bottom. Now along the bottom, going over towards the right, we're going to point the teeth coming down. Coming down and up. Let's add another one. Let's do a slightly larger gap. I'm just going to add one more on the end. Now I'm going to add a curved seam going in between the eyes and the mouth. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this down, across, and then up. And just want to bend this down towards the side of the head, going out. Let's add two small ovals for the nostrils, just underneath that line. Now on the top left side of the head, let's add that fin. We're going to go up and out, and we're just going to bend this back in towards the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the shirt. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this in, and I want to come straight down towards the bottom. Let's mirror this over on the right, coming in and then down. Let's wrap the collar around the neck, starting from this fold, bend this down and in. Let's bend the collar, going up with a straight line, bend this in and down. From the tip of the collar, we're going to move out and draw the side of the body. We're going to bend this down and out, round out the body, and then just pull that back in towards that bottom line. Let's line this up on the right. From these 2 points, we're going to step up and add a curve for the shirt. And then along the top, we're going to add the necklace. Let's start on the left. Start by curving this down and up. Add a small circle in the center. And then we'll add that shark tooth. Start with a curve on the left side, bend this down and over towards the right. And we're just going to curve out the end. Now you want to draw the arms coming around and then in towards the pant pocket. So we're going to start from the collar, bend this out and then down towards the sleeve. Line this up on the right. Now I'm going to roll a thick sleeve across the arm. So on the left side, I'm going to step out, bend this down and in. So there's a little bit of an overlap on the outside. Let's round out that fold, coming around and in. And we'll just curve this back in towards the side of the body. Underneath the sleeve, we're going to step in and draw the bottom of the arm. Coming down, and just bend that in underneath the body. Let's go back to the center of the body, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left ankle, go to the right, go out and then down. Let's round out the bottom of the pant with a curve. And then before we close off the side of the leg, we want to add a bump across the pocket. So we're going to start underneath the arm, going down and then bending that in. Let's move out, bend the leg, coming down and then in towards the bottom of the pant. From the inside of the pant, let's curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet with a curve, coming down and up toward the left and right side. Now to finish off the foot, we're going to go to the outside, curve this up, in towards the ankle, and then bend that down. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. Taking this curve, we'll step up and just trace that across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Shark from the Bad Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.